Hey everyone, I'm Erica from Rick's Review Hub and welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of pet hair everywhere, sticky floors, tangled brushes, and spending too much time cleaning your robot vacuum, then this review is going to make your day. Today we're checking out the Eufy Robot Vacuum E28 Mop with HydroJet system. This smart combo brings 11,000 pascals of strong suction, a self-cleaning HydroJet roller mop, and Zero-Tangle brush tech that handles long pet hair without wrapping. It includes a powerful all-in-one station for auto-emptying and mop washing, so you barely have to touch anything. Perfect for pet parents and busy homes who want cleaner floors with way less work. Head over to Amazon using the link in the description and check it out. Trust me, this is one of the best value robot vacuum and mop combos right now. Most importantly, click that referral link in the video description to grab yours and help support the channel at no extra cost to you. Let's break down the key features. The Eufy E28 delivers 11,000 pascals of suction that pulls up pet hair, crumbs, dust, and dirt from hard floors and low-pile carpets. The DuoSpiral Zero-Tangle brush actively prevents hair from wrapping, even long pet hair up to 30 centimeters. The HydroJet self-cleaning roller mop uses a spinning roller with hot water to scrub floors and automatically cleans itself during every cycle. So you get street-free mopping without dirty or smelly pads. The all-in-one station auto-empties the dustbin, washes and dries the mop roller, refills clean water, and drains dirty water. It has smart AI obstacle avoidance to gently dodge furniture, toys, and pet bowls. The app lets you set no-go zones, create custom schedules, label rooms, and choose different cleaning modes. Battery life covers most average homes, and it returns to the station automatically. Setup is simple. Place the station, download the app, let it map your home, and start cleaning. In real-world use, this vacuum and mop combo really shines. The 11,000 pascal suction and Zero-Tangle brush handle daily pet hair without constant maintenance. The HydroJet mop leaves hard floors looking fresh and streak-free, and because it self-cleans, the roller stays clean and odor-free. Reviewers with dogs and cats say it makes a huge difference in keeping floors tidy. Navigation is smooth and efficient once mapped. Obstacle avoidance works well around busy households, and the all-in-one station means you only need to empty the station bag and refill water every couple of weeks. It's quiet enough to run during the day without bothering anyone. Pros and cons to keep it real. The pros are strong. Powerful suction for everyday messes, excellent Zero-Tangle brush for pet hair, HydroJet self-cleaning mop that actually stays fresh, convenient all-in-one station for hands-free use, smart AI obstacle avoidance, easy app control with scheduling and zoning, and great value for a combo robot with self-cleaning features. Many users say it cuts their cleaning time in half and floors feel noticeably cleaner. On the con side, the suction is solid but not the absolute highest on thick carpets compared to premium models. The water tanks need refilling after larger cleaning sessions, and it's a bigger upfront cost than basic robot vacuums. These are typical for advanced combo models, and the pros far outweigh them for most homes with pets or busy families. My recommendation? Yes, absolutely. Pick up the Eufy Robot Vacuum E28 Mop with HydroJet system if you want strong vacuuming, real self-cleaning mopping, and easy pet hair handling with minimal daily effort. It's fantastic for pet parents, families, apartments, or anyone who wants cleaner floors without the hassle. If these honest robot vacuum and smart home reviews are helping you find the right gear, hit subscribe for more. And click the affiliate link in the description. It gets you the best deal and keeps the channel running strong. Finally, use the link below for the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks so much for watching. If this convinced you to make cleaning easier, give it a like, share with a friend who needs it, or subscribe. See you next time.